Hi children, today we are doing something very interesting and very important. We are going to do subtraction. In subtraction, we will learn properties of zero. Zero. In subtraction, the property of zero. Any number, take away zero is the number itself. That we are going to understand better by looking at the number. Number 2 minus 0 is equal to the number itself. That is subtraction properties of 0. You must understand that. You minus 10. 10 minus 0 is the number itself. Number 3 minus 0, the number itself. So understanding of in subtraction properties of 0. Shall we look at the exercise? You should read with me. Look at me. We'll read together and understand the subtraction properties of 0. Shall we? Let's look at our first exercise. Okay? Now look at the exercise here. We have number and then we have minus sign, then we have 0 equal to, and let's see how to find the answer. We are looking at subtraction properties of 0. Okay? Look, you have number 1 here. Okay? 1, you have 1 chocolate here. 1 minus 0. 1 chocolate is there, minus 0 chocolate. 1 minus 0 is equal to the number itself. 1 minus 0 is equal to the number itself. Read with me. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Understand that carefully. Next. 2. Number 2 minus 0 is equal to the number 2 itself. Look again. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 itself. You got it? Because there is nothing. When it is 0, there is nothing there. Number 3. Minus 0 is equal to the number 3 itself. Get it? Read with me again. Number 3 minus 0 is equal to the number 3 itself. Let's look at the next one. Look carefully. Number 4 minus 0 is equal to the number 4 itself. Number 4 minus 0 is equal to number 4 itself. Look at the last sum. Number 5 minus 0 is equal to the number 5 itself. Read with me. Number 5 minus 0 is equal to number 5 itself. So what have we learned here? We learned the subtraction property of the 0. Any number minus 0 is equal to the number itself. Any number minus 0 is equal to the number itself. Is that clear for you? Good. Shall we go to our next exercise? Good. Let's look here. Look again. Carefully. Number 6 minus 0 is equal to the number 6 itself. Number 6 minus 0 is equal to the number 6 itself. You got it clear? Look, let's go to the second number. Number 7 minus 0 is equal to number 7 itself. Look again. Number 7 minus 0 is equal to number 7 itself. Okay? Go to the next one. Number 8 minus 0 is equal to the number itself, the number 8. Number 8 minus 0 is equal to the number 8 itself. Number 9 minus 0 is equal to the number 9 itself. Number 9 minus 0 is equal to number 9 itself. Number 10 minus 0 is equal to the same number 10. Number 10 minus 0 is equal to number 10. What did we learn here? Subtraction properties of 0. Any number minus 0. Any number minus 0 is equal to the number itself. Take any number. Let's say 8. Number 8 minus 0 is equal to number 8 itself. Any number minus 0 is equal to the same number itself. Clear? Good.